Hello everyone, I'm Amy. Today let's dive into the fascinating world of ABS material. ABS is a versatile engineering plastic that combines rigidity and toughness. It's easy to process and has an excellent appearance. Since its birth in 1950s, ABS has become a cornerstone among engineering plastics thanks to its outstanding overall performance. It's widely used in consumer and industrial sectors, such as home appliances, automobiles, and building materials. What is ABS? ABS is an amorphous thermoplastic engineering plastic. It combines the chemical resistance of acrylonitrile, the toughness of butadiene, and the processability of styrene. It is the standard material for consumer electronic casing and works well within the temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Core advantage of ABS: balanced performance. It has good mechanical strength and impact toughness, making it ideal for everyday durable products like power tool casing and suitcase. Easy processing. With low melt viscosity, ABS can be processed through injection molding, extrusion, and thermoforming. Compared to PC material, its molding cycle can be shortened by 20% under the same processing condition. Dimensional stability. Its low shrinkage rate ensures high precision in product dimensions, with injection molding tolerance control within 0.05 mm. This makes it suitable for precision instrument casing. Chemical stability. It can withstand common organic solvents and weak acids and bases, but it cannot resist to strong acids, strong bases, and ketone solvents. Low temperature performance. With a glass transition temperature of -80 degrees Celsius and a brittle temperature of -40 degrees Celsius, ABS is an ideal material for winter car bumper. Electrical insulation. It has low dielectric loss and can be used for high-frequency insulation components. Colorability. ABS can be dyed in highly saturated colors, making it a mainstream material for the appearance parts of home appliances. Application of ABS. Consumer electronic. ABS is used to make laptop casing and game controller, forming a good functional division with metal frames. Home appliance. ABS dominates in refrigerator lining and washing machine control panel, with better surface hardness and wear resistance than ordinary PS material. Automotive industry. ABS blend with PP is used to make dashboard, improving UV resistance by 40% compared to pure PP. Toy industry. Flame retardant ABS is used to make children's educational toys, balancing safety and cost. Limitation of ABS. Surface hardness. ABS has low hardness and is prone to scratches and wear. To enhance its surface durability, it can be blended with hard material or treated with surface coating like plating to form a protective layer. Limited heat resistance. ABS starts to soften and deform at temperature around 90 to 105 degrees Celsius. Flammability. ABS is flammable and requires flame retardants when used in products with fire safety requirements such as home appliances. Environmental concern. Traditional ABS is difficult to degrade in nature. However, some biodegradable ABS materials are being developed and applied. In some applications, people are considering using PC ABS alloy, which are easier to process and more environmentally friendly, as alternative to traditional ABS material. Now you have a comprehensive understanding of why ABS is the go-to material for consumer products. If you have any question about the material selection or processing, please contact Zintilon. Our expert team will provide you with customized solutions. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like it. See you next time. Bye-bye.